Hi everyone, today we're going to do Module 4, whole number multiplication. This is lesson 1 and the introduction, so start on page 1 and be ready to follow along and take notes. So we're going to first do our vocabulary. We're talking about multiplication in this module. And so remember, multiplication is just repeated addition. So here we can see 5 plus 5 plus 5. Well, that's 5 3 times. So when you do 5 times 3, you get the same answer as if you do 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15 or 5 times 3 is 15. Another word is rectangular array. An array is arranged like this. You can see it's a rectangle shape, but it's made out of rows and columns. So you can see here, rows go from side to side and then columns go up and down. And you can see when it's arranged in rows and columns that it makes a rectangle, so we call that a rectangular array. So we can see number 1 here is 4 plus 4 plus 4. So we would write, we know 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. Well, we can see here 4, 8, 12. So we're just kind of counting up by 4s. It's repeated 4. And then the flowers are arranged into a rectangular array, and that's in columns and rows. So columns go up and down, rows go side to side. And we call that a rectangular array, where you can just write array. This says, write an addition sentence for the array. Step 1, we're going to count the counters in each row. So remember, rows go across. We can see that there's 1, 2, 3 counters in each row. And then it says we're going to skip count to find the total number of counters. So if we start skip counting, we have 3, and then another 3 is 6, another 3 is 9, another 3 is 12, another 3 is 15. So we would write that as a addition sentence down here. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 15. So you're skip counting by 3s over here to get to the answer. Now we're going to try a couple together. So it says find the total number of objects. So we're going to look at how many are in the row first. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. So 4, 4, 4. Well, if we skip count that, we get 4, 8, 12, 16. So in this one, we have a row of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then another 5. So if we skip count, we get 5, 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. This says find the total number of objects, complete each sentence. So they're giving us an addition sentence here, so we're going to do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the row, 4 in the next row, 4 plus 4 is 8. If we skip count, same thing, 4 and then 8. Here we have 2, 4, 6. So if we do 2 plus 2 plus 2, we get 6. This says solve the problem. Noah puts 3 rows of pepper plants in his garden. He puts 3 plants in each row. How many plants are there in all? So we look here, we can see 1, 2, 3, and then there's 3 rows, so we just need to skip count by 3s again. So 3, 6, 9. There are 9 plants total. All right, so that was the first part of the lesson. And here's the next part. This says, Aaron and Faith find the total number of counters by skip counting. Aaron counts by the number of counters in each row. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 8. Faith counts by the number of counters in each column. So he did rows, 2, 4, 6, 8, and she did columns, 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Well, the total number is still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they just did it each way. So we would say they are both correct. So you could do it either way. You can count by rows, 2, 4, 6, 8, or you can count by columns, 4, 8. Okay, here's the checkup. It says, fill in the bubble of each correct answer. Which number sentence does the model show? Well, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 acorns in the row, and there's 3 rows of 5. So we would have to think it couldn't be 5 plus 3 because there's more than 8 here. But then the second one, 5 plus 5 plus 5, well, that makes sense because we know that we have 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 5 is 15. So it is the second one there. Number 2 says, James says that the arrays have the same number of counters. Is James correct? So if we talked this over, we can see here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6, and then another 6 is 12. So there's 12 there. And here, if we do the same thing, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we skip count, we have 4, 8, 12. So yeah, James is correct. They have the same number of counters. They are just organized in a different way. All right, now this part of lesson 1, understanding multiplication, similar to what we were just reviewing. So we would see here, it says, what is the total number of hearts? Well, they put them in groups, these boxes. So we have to see how many groups of hearts. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. So there's 4 groups total. And in each group, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hearts. Okay, so then look here, they did skip counted 8, 16, 24, 32. So there's 32 hearts because 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 is 32. So what they did the number of groups is 4. The number in each group is 8. So the product or the answer of the multiplication problem is 32. There are 32 hearts total. So you could count them all, but that would take longest. You can skip count 8, 16, 24, 32, or eventually what you're going to be learning is how to find or how to remember each of these multiplication facts. So it says find each product. Well, 3 times 7, what they did here is they did 3 groups, 1, 2, 3, and then there's 7 in each one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can skip count 7, 14, 21. So 3 times 7 equals 21. 4 times 5, they have 4 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4 groups, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles in each group. Well, 5, 10, 15, 20. So if we skip count, we found 4 times 5 is 20. 2 times 9. So what I suggest when you're starting to do these problems, when you're learning multiplication, let's just draw it out. So we're going to make 2 groups of 9. So we're going to have 1 group and then 2 groups, and we're going to fill it in with 9 shapes. So I simply just did dots. I did 9 dots and then another 9. So if I skip count, I get 18. Now, if you don't like counting by 9s at first, you could do 9 groups of 2 instead. So here we could skip count easily by 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Same thing. We just drew it in a different way. Next one is 7 times 5. So same thing. We're going to make 7 groups of 5. So here we can see we got dots again. There's 5 in each one. So let's skip count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. All right, now what you're going to do is on your own, you're going to finish numbers 5 and 6 on page 7. There is space to draw and model pictures on page 8. Page 8 is blank, so if you need to turn to there so that you can draw your pictures like we just did in the examples to help you, make sure to do that. Good luck.